Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Well guys, today I am going to show you how to add a text in Autocad. So for the steps, there are two ways to go to the text command, that is mtext and press enter in the command line. Okay, now you got to draw a rectangle, and in that rectangle you should type whatever you want. You can change the size of the text here. Assume your text would be 2.25. Yes. Then type whatever you want. AutoCAD. Now you can change the size of the text also, guys, by selecting this, and you can change the size of the text to 0.4. Enter. You can see, guys, it has increased to 0.4. Now you can change the type of the letters. You can go to Algerian, Arial, whatever you want. Here is the option, and you can bold, you can make the letters bold, you can make it italic, and you can underline the cat. Yeah, some of the options, guys, you can go through them. Annotate, standard. See you guys, you can change the, and the important thing is, guys, when you press escape it will come out of the command, and you can go from here also, guys. Here is a multi-line text. Don't use single line text always, guys. You can use multi-line text always. So select this one, you can move this from one place to another. You can copy this from one place, and you can rotate, press enter, and you can rotate. See here, guys, you can rotate like this. You can rotate it. Now if you want to edit this text after writing the text, then double click on it, then you can edit. 28. Okay, that's it about the text, guys. You can change the text, you can add the text, you can do whatever changes you can. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and comment, and press the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Thank you, guys.